Wool pellets. Their biggest benefit is at the very end, so stick around. That's right, wool pellets have been gaining popularity in the gardening world, and for good reason. They offer a wide range of benefits that can help you achieve a healthier and more productive garden. First and foremost, wool pellets make for an excellent mulch. They are highly absorbent and can hold 30% to 200% of their weight in water, which means they can help keep your plants hydrated during dry spells. Plus, they act as a natural insulator, which can help regulate soil temperature and protect your plants from extreme weather conditions. Wool pellets can help suppress weed growth by creating a barrier between the soil and the air. When wool pellets are spread around plants, they create a thick layer that blocks out sunlight and prevents weed seeds from germinating. This helps to reduce the amount of weeding required in a garden, making it a time-saving option for gardeners. Additionally, because wool pellets are a natural mulch, they break down slowly over time, releasing nutrients into the soil as they decompose. This can help improve soil health and provide a source of nutrients to plants, while still maintaining the weed suppression benefits of the mulch. Another benefit of using wool pellets as mulch is that they are completely chemical-free. Unlike traditional mulches that are often treated with pesticides or herbicides, wool pellets are made from natural wool. This makes them safe to use around children, pets, and wildlife. Wool pellets are made from waste wool that would otherwise be thrown away and not used. This wool is often considered waste because it may be too coarse or of a lower quality for use in textiles or clothing. However, rather than being discarded, this wool is repurposed into pellets that can be used as a natural mulch for gardens. By using this waste wool, the production of wool pellets helps to reduce waste and promote sustainability in the textile industry. Additionally, the use of wool pellets in gardening helps to close the loop on the production cycle, as the wool returns to the earth to nourish and protect plants, rather than being discarded as waste. But that's not all. Wool pellets also provide a slow-release source of nitrogen, which can help promote healthy plant growth. They also contain trace minerals that are essential for plant health, such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So what makes wool pellets so unique? Well, for starters, they are made from a renewable resource. Wool is a naturally occurring fiber that is produced by sheep, which means it is both sustainable and biodegradable. Additionally, wool pellets have a low carbon footprint compared to traditional mulches, as they require less processing and transportation. But perhaps the most interesting thing about wool pellets is their ability to repel slugs and snails. Wool contains a natural oil called lanolin, which can help repel slugs and snails from gardens. Lanolin is a waxy substance that is produced by sheep and is found in their wool. This substance has a bitter taste and an unpleasant odor that can deter slugs and snails from feeding on plants. When wool pellets are used as a mulch in gardens, the lanolin in the wool can act as a natural repellent, reducing the need for harmful pesticides or chemicals. In conclusion, wool pellets are a versatile and eco-friendly option for gardeners looking for a natural mulch that provides a range of benefits. From regulating soil temperature to repelling pests, wool pellets are a smart choice for anyone looking to improve the health and productivity of their garden. So why not give them a try and see the results for yourself? Thanks for watching and happy gardening!